Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and we have some things that were sent to us. And anytime that we have something that's sent to us, I try to get a giveaway for you guys. This comes from Pretty Neat Creative. That's who sent us this. And we're going to do just some unboxing, if you would. This is not a box, but we're going to show you how this is packaged. It looks like it's packaged very well, and it feels like that it has those little balloon type things in there. So this is better than most that I have got. I've got others that are not packaged quite as well, but they're still workable. They're still good. But this one looks like they take a little bit extra time in packing, and that says a lot for a company. So that's Pretty Neat Creative. That's their name right there. And it does have the bubble wrap in there. Wow, that's sealed up. Good. Okay, let's see if we can get into this. And if you're not into diamond painting, you know, and you win, then just give it as a gift to somebody. So we're going to pull out the goodies out of there. So there is how it was packaged. Isn't that great? And these are really sturdy, so that held it up well. Now when you get these, they're going to be rolled up. Like this. Oh, this is a nice big one. They're on a canvas. This back part right here is a nice canvas. And they have this part on the front that you can peel back and reveal the stickiness. This is sticky. As you can see, it's sticking to my fingers. That's where you put the beads and everything now. Now, you see this has some wrinkles in it when you get it. For what I do is I take it, I open them up, and I put them under my mat. I have a big mat on my other table. I put them under that mat, put the mat down, and then put something heavy on top of them to let them lay out for a little while before I start working on them. That way it gets all the wrinkles out of them. And they flatten out really, really nice. So then what I do is I start checking to see that I have everything in here that I need. This one gives you a few instructions. What is diamond painting? 6 steps to diamond painting. That kind of thing. So we're going to open this up. Now these are all of your little beads. And then this is your little photo of what it's going to be. It's going to be that little doggy right there. Isn't that cute? And then it says that we have all of these beads in here and these tools. So we're going to check this out. I always go through and pull my beads out and check them and make sure that I have what I need before I get started on it. Because if you don't, you contact the company and tell them you don't have everything. So the beads are either numbered or labeled. If it's past 10, of course, they put a alphabet on it. So let's see what we have here. See how they do theirs. 3042, 3042 right there. And it shows you that is number, or that is I, not number, but it's I. So we've got plenty of those. Looks like it says we have 10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 packs of that. And what I do from here, these little cell packages, once you cut into them, you cannot seal these back up. So what I do is I take little containers, they're little plastic containers, and I don't even have one right here on my desk. But I just take little plastic containers. They're not this big, but they're kind of like that. So I open these up and I label this and I put it, this is I, and then I put this number up here, which is the number of the painting. I put that on top of it. That way I don't lose track of where these belong. So I do that first. Let's just go through a few more and then I'll check. This is just how I check them, and then I'll check all the rest of them later. 775 is K, and I should have 4, and I do. And these are the square. I have been doing the round ones, but these are the square. So I'm anxious to get started on those. 647. And that is a V, and I should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I do. So there is all of your little beads right there. Now that looks very daunting, all in this pack like this. It looks like, oh my gosh, there's no way I could ever do that. But all you need to do is just start with one color. Let's just see what's down here in the corner. And I usually don't peel this all the way off. I just peel it back and start. Okay, there are a bunch of C's right there. So C, I'm doing 415. So I find 415 and I just fill in all of those there with that C. Okay, they give you, looks like they give you some little bags. Now these are the bags that you can reseal. So that's good. I've not had that from the other companies, so that's really good. They give you the little bags. You can put them in. And then this is your tools package. Sorry about the crinkling. I know some of you don't like that. Okay, for the tools, you get your little tray. You dump a few of the beads out in there, and it has little grooves in the bottom. And when you shake it back and forth, the beads go into those grooves, so they're a lot easier to pick up. Now, what you need to do is the end of this has just a little tiny hole in it. And then on this end, there's a little hole as well. I usually use this one. Sometimes I'll use that one if I have a lot of beads that are the same size, the same color in a row, where you can put more than one down at a time. You can use this end. But this little piece right here is just a little gum pack, and I just peel that back, and then you just press that down into there, and it picks up, and I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can see it. Maybe. It picks up that little piece of gum right there, and then that's what makes the beads stick to. Let's just put a few in here. We'll just, let's do some red ones so you can see better. We'll just live bravely. Okay. Just put a few down in there. So see, if you shake them back and forth, they go in those little grooves, and then you can pick one up. One side is flat, one side is a little bit domed. So you just pick it up like that. And then, let's see what that color was. 498. 498 is D. So there we go. There, it's Sticky's Reveal now. Let's see if there's a D here. All the D's are probably going to be down in one spot. Oh, his little bow is what's red. You can look at your picture and kind of tell. His little collar is what's red. So let's see. Okay. So your photo is also color coordinated, so you can kind of match it up that way, but you see all of these right here are D. So all you have to do then is just put that bead down. Let's just do a couple more. Whoops. Did you see me just dump those out? So as you can see, they go on there very, very well. And sorry about the glare. It's very, very sunny here today, so got lots of glare on there. So then I just put this back over it when I'm not using it. That way things don't stick to it, dust and lint and that kind of thing, until I start working on it again. Alright guys, that is it. Oh, also they send you this little pickup tool, and it's just little tweezers that you can pick up the little beads when you drop them in one place or whatever. Or if they're not on the right place on the painting, if you put one down accidentally, you can pick it up with this. So it just picks the little beads up. But that, they send you lots of tools. I like that part about it. I also wanted to tell you that in the link below, there will be a discount code. If you just use that discount code, and it is Edith Wray, then they will give you 20% off of your purchase. Now, they are in China, I do believe, which most of these are made in China. And if you want to get them inexpensively, you buy from China. If you get them over here, they're going to charge you 3 or 4 prices for them. But it does take about 2 or 3 weeks to get your paintings. But, like I said, they're inexpensive, but they're the same quality as you would get here and pay like 3 or 4 prices for them. Now this is the other one. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you. I think this is a wolf, I do believe. Let's see. Well, let's see what this one is. I do believe this one is the howling wolf, I believe. Let's pull all of the items out. And I'm trying not to get everything mixed up with that one over there. But as you can see, this is a large one again. All your stuff the same as in before. So you end up with a collection of these little trays and things. And then let's see what this one, see if this one shows. Yeah, here we go. It's that howling wolf right there is what this one is. And these are large, large paintings. I'm not sure what size they are. Let's see. Looks like they're about, so there's 14. Looks like they're about 24 by something. What size this is. It says 40 by 50, but I'm sure that's centimeters. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I bet it's a 16 by 20. 12. Yep, it's a 16 by 20, so that's a large painting. When you get finished with this, you can frame them up and put them on your wall for some beautiful decor. Now to enter the giveaway. All you need to do is leave a comment below letting me know if you're interested in diamond painting. And if you are, then have you done some before? Would you like to do some? Etc. Just leave me some kind of comment about diamond painting. If you're not interested in doing them, then don't even worry about leaving a comment. If you don't want one, then don't worry about leaving a comment about, or just say, I don't think this is something I'd be interested in, blah, 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 that kind of thing. And then you won't be entered in the giveaway. But if you're interested in the giveaway, then just leave a comment below and we will be giving away a painting. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And click that little bell when that bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we do a new video. All the links will be below. Please check the links. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.